gewoon over te meer.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here to show you guys Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are in Bellagio. So we are continuing our Christmas edition of the ruins of Rome. Hey y'all, guess who I ran into? My homie, Augustus. There you go.
Hey everyone, it's Taria. I hope you're having a fantastic day because I sure am. So, we just wanted to give you guys a quick glimpse into our 13-hour overnight train from Rome, Italy to Palermo, Sicily. It was my first time ever doing an overnight train, so I was really excited for the experience. So, I hope you enjoy. And before I go, make sure you like, follow, and subscribe on all of our social media platforms. This is still a new endeavor, and so we appreciate all the support.
Alright y'all, so we are back with our room tour. So, just in case you don't know, we are here in Rome. We are on the night train from Rome Termini to Palermo, Sicily. So, it's going to be almost a 13-hour train ride. It was long getting here. If you can't already tell, I am sweating, but that's okay. But quick room tour. So you see we got this nice big mirror here. I'm gonna love that in the morning. We got some lighting up there. We do have a window. I'm gonna see if we can get that open to get a breeze because it is hot. All right, so then we have one bed down here. That's a twin. They give you a pillow and some blankets, and it looks like an amenities kit. And then same up here. I hope these is sturdy because baby, Ali gonna be up top. Okay, and then it looks like there's extra cushions, and there's another bed down there that could be pulled down if we wanted it, but I do think 3 people in this room would be a little too much. But yeah, let's play around with it. All right, so we got some goodies over here, and let's see. Okay, that was the house light. We got a charger, a little place to kind of keep some things. Looks like an intercom if you needed to call for safety, and a little night light, which might be helpful. All right. But again, it's not much, but heck. Down here, it looks like we got some outlets. An outlet here, and trash. I like how they have this little ledge to help keep your things from falling down. Wipe down. Y'all know we don't play that. COVID is still real. All the little germs. They came around and brought us some goodies. So we have his and her, it looked like little toiletry pack. So let's bust those out. So for mine, we have, okay, this looks like tissue, and I love that everything is labeled. We got a little toothbrush and toothpaste, a little soap, ooh, like little vanity set, makeup remover, little house shoes. These are going to be nice because I'm going to be going to the bathroom soon. So those will come in handy. This is a sanitary towel. And I think this is like a laundry bag for your dirty clothes. It was smart. Alright, so that is the women's vanity set. And then it looks like we have some towels here. Yes. Even though I always bring my own when I travel, but extra ones are always nice. It's one for me and one for the top buck. And then me personally, I just always like to bring an extra blanket and pillow. You can never be too safe. Okay. Alright, so that looks good. I'm sure the male set has similar items. All right, y'all. So we are rocking and rolling, moving and grooving. But look what I found. Boom. I thought this was so clever. So at first I didn't notice it because it was down like this. But I said, that's different. Opened it up. I said, oh, this is so cute. So at least we can wash our hands a little bit, you know, brush our teeth a little bit, you know, bare minimum. Alright, y'all, so I am on the train in the hallway. I am not happy about the toilet. We could have did better than this, but I guess. And not to be too loud because the hallway is small and people are in their rooms. But I just want y'all to be able to come on the adventure with us. Because baby, 13 hours, surely an adventure. The bathroom, nasty, but we'll manage. Check y'all when I get back. What's the breakfast? Okay, show us what we have for breakfast.
Coffee.
Coffee. Mm-hmm. Got some juice. Okay. Did they bring my tea? Ah, they got my tea. See? Okay.